What's up, YouTube? It's the Passive Income Trucker coming back at you today with more passive info, more insight. Today we're coming from my cell phone. As you can see, this is my home screen. We're about to be talking about my other investments that I do have outside of the ones in my other videos. Today we're going to look at the cryptos. And I do have multiple wallets. I get multiple wallets on my phone just to test out different platforms, to see which one I like, which one I don't like, in case one have issues or in case one has a problem where I can't add or I can't withdraw. Then I have other options available if I do decide that I want to move. But there are only a couple that I use. And today I'm just gonna show you what I've been up to in the past. With this particular account, I took most of the money out, so it's not a lot in this particular account. So right now it's at $259. I had put a little money in Phantom token. I took most of my Bit token and referred it, so I only have $75 there. I have Chainlink and I have Uniswap. So in this account we're up to $259, and that's pretty much all I'm going to leave in there until I pretty much take the money out. I'm not too happy with Exodus. That's pretty much this app on the cell phone. I'm not too happy with Exodus. They don't have all of the coins that I like. They do have some. I do like that they have USD TRX, which I'm going to be using in the other platform videos that I'm using, so that's a good thing. But just not too excited about Exodus because of pretty much because of the fees. And the next app we're about to go through is going to be, I don't use Bread, Coinbase. I do like Coinbase more. It's a more simple, easy, not hard to go through. Like right off the top, you can see my balance at the top. I can add, I can buy, I can sell, I can send, I can receive, all from this screen right here. If I need to press more, it's pretty much the same thing. You just add cash, cash out, and convert is added to that. I do have a little bit more in this account. It's almost up to 1,000. Let's see, and you press down here to see the assets. And I have more Ethereum and Bitcoin right now. I have a little bit of SHIBUINU. I'm probably going to cash that out later on because it's not doing anything. I've been holding on to that for a while, and it pretty much hasn't gone. It's been pretty much very sporadic. Let's see, in the last month, at the height, it was at this amount. And now it's pretty much down here, so not very much going on with SHIBUINU. But that's pretty much the only token, the dog tokens or animal tokens that I've been a part of. I do have a little Litecoin left, because if you didn't know, the other program that I use, you have to use the you just use Litecoin because it was because it didn't have the USDT tether like I showed in the other app where you have the Tron network connected to it. So I use Litecoin as another alternative to transfer it into that particular account. And let's see if it'll show all. As you can see, this is pretty much progress. It's more than likely when a lot of times when it just shoots up, it's just me when I added the money in that made it go back up. And then you see it kind of start to do the up and down graph. Or when I took money out, I made the deposits or withdrawals. When I withdrew, I'll just use the card and use the funds on the account, and then it started back to fund it, and it was all the way up to 930, and now we're down to 827. So I lost close to 100, and it's pretty much making it look like it's making its way going back up now. So it looks like we're trending in the right direction on this particular app. I have one last app that I use for my crypto, and that app would be, I think it's Kraken. They have the Kraken Pro and they have the regular Kraken. I have both, and I just have the Kraken. I'm gonna sign in, releasing the Kraken, give it a second to maybe update a little bit. Sometimes the account balance will change, but as of right now, it's only 166 in this account, and it's pretty much in Ethereum as well. So I pretty much like I do believe in spreading out in different platforms and different accounts and different. It's like Even later on, I'll probably have multiple bank accounts just to have, you know, different things in case one bank has issues or in case one app has issues. You just like to have more options available. Kind of like with the investments and kind of like with the opportunities that I get involved with. I like to have multiple opportunities in case one is not working, another one will be working, or another one is still going strong, or it may be a little here and a little there, but it's still working. So I like to take on multiple things at once. Now I always try to find something that's a little bit easier to use and a little bit easier to operate. But I guess I'll be adding more things into that particular part of my business that I'm getting involved into to kind of scale into different avenues and different ventures. But that's pretty much my update. I still have money in crypto. I still have money in stocks, and this is going to be my crypto for the day. I may come back tomorrow and show you the stocks that I'm holding. I did add a couple more stocks into what I already had, and that's something I'm always looking to do, is add more. But I think I'm just going to hold it right there until I can add more, because I don't want to have just, you know, 100 stocks with $10 in each. You know, that wouldn't be good, I don't think, you know. But that's it. That's all. This is a passive income trucker showing you guys what you could do. I mean, even with my crypto investments and also my stock, I did like a little bit at a time. It wasn't I took a large portion or took $1,000, $2,000 and just threw it in there. I took a little bit over time, weekly checks, weekly withdrawals, and some of my things are set up on auto pay. So every week I may have a couple dollars come out and go to one particular crypto, a couple dollars come out here and go to a particular stock, and that's how I have it set up. And over time, you build interest, you build gains over time. And again, that's it. Passive income trucker. I'm out.